How to fix Android Auto not working. So in this quick video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to fix your Android Auto not working. So guys, let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take is simply go to your Android device settings like this. So right here, you can see where it says connected device. So you simply need to go ahead and click on connected device like this. So looking right here, you're going to see where it says Android Auto. So you can simply go ahead and click on that. And let's say you've not connected it to a vehicle, you can go ahead and click on connect to a vehicle and connect it to a vehicle. But let's say you've actually done this and it is not actually working and you want to fix it. The next step you need to take is to move back right here on your settings as well. You need to scroll down gently like this and click on apps. So at the top right corner, you need to go ahead and click on the search button like this and search for Android Auto. So when you do that, looking right here, you can see where it says permission. So right here where it says permission, this could be the reason why yours is not actually working. So looking right here, you can see a lot of things which are actually allowed here. So if any of this is not allowed, you simply need to go ahead and click on allow in order to allow it. So let's take, for instance, looking here, you can see that the microphone option here is not allowed. So I'm going to click on allow only while using this app. So if there is any other option or permissions on yours that is not actually allowed, you need to go ahead and enable them. So once you do that, going back right here as well, you need to click on storage. So let's say you click on storage like this, you need to go ahead and click on clear cache and also clear data. Clear cache and clear the data. So once you do that, you need to move out from this section and restart your device. Move out from this section like this, click on the power button and click on restart button, restart your device, and it is going to automatically start working very well. So these are the few steps you can actually take in order to fix your Android Auto not working. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. This channel is really for you. See you in the next one.